Hi guys, welcome to All About Android. If you love the look of iPhone X, then this setup is for you. Today we are going to give our phone the looks of iPhone X without installing any third-party launcher. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then click on the subscribe and the bell icon to get notified. So at first, you need to download the APK file that is provided in the download link. Then go to your download folder and install the APK file. Then go back to your home screen and delete all the pages of your home screen and create a blank page. Then go to the Nova settings and select the swipe up gesture to open the app drawer. And turn off the dock. Now open the iPhone X APK and set it as your wallpaper and allow all the permissions. Now go back to your home screen. So that's how you make your Android look like iPhone X. That's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it's free. See you soon in my next video.